Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello YouTube. My name is Muhammad Uzair. You are watching YouTube channel Muhammad Uzair TV. In previous video we learned about what is calculus, line, slope and derived equation of line. In this video we will be doing more example on equation of line and understand what is y-intercept, vertical lines and horizontal lines. Let's suppose we have 2 points, -2, -3 and second point 8 and 2. We need to find the equation of line for these 2 points. Let's suppose we have, so this will be, let's suppose this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. So first we need to find the slope, as we know that slope is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So by putting values, this is x2, so this is y2, so 2 minus 3 divided by x2, 8 minus 2. So we will get 2 plus 3 divided by 8 plus 2. So we will get 5 divided by 10. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. We will get 1 divided by 2. So we have slope 1 over 2. Now to find the equation of line, we need to consider any one of these points, A or B. So let's suppose we consider A, so -2 -3. So as we know that we have y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. By putting values, as this will be x1, this will be y1. So by putting values, y1 is -3, so -3, m is 1 over 2, x minus x1 is -2. So we will get y plus 3 is equal to 1 over 2 x plus 2. So y plus 3 is equal to 1 over 2 x plus 2. So y plus 3 is equal to 1 over 2 x plus 2. So y plus 3 is equal to 1 over 2x plus 2 divided by 2. Y plus 3 is equal to, so this will cancel out with this, so 1 over 2 x plus 1. So y is equal to 1 over 2x plus 1 minus 3. Y is equal to 1 over 2x minus 2. So this will be the equation of line for point and slope. Let's suppose we have slope and a point -4, 3. To find the equation of line for these two parameters, as we have already known slope and a point, so we directly use this formula. So by putting values, y minus, this is y1, this is x1, so y minus 3 is equal to, m is minus 1 over 3 x minus 4. So y minus 3 is equal to minus 1 over 3 x plus 4. So y minus 3 is equal to minus 1 over 3 x minus 4 divided by 3. So y is equal to minus 1 over 3 x minus 4 divided by 3 minus 3, plus 3. Y is equal to minus 1 over 3 x LCM 3 4 plus 9, this is plus and this is minus, so minus 4 plus 9 divided by 3. So y is equal to minus 1 over 3x. So this is 5 divided by 3 plus 5 divided by 3. So this will be the equation of line for slope minus 1 over 3 and point minus 4 and 3. The y-intercept of line is the value of y at the point where the line crosses the y-axis, the y-axis. So the y-intercept of a line is the value of y at the point where the line crosses the y-axis. Let's suppose this is y-axis, this is x-axis. So let's suppose this is a line. Let's suppose this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So the y-intercept is, for this equation of line, for this line, the y-intercept will be 3 because the y-axis is crosses this line, the y-axis, at point 3. So no matter what the equation is, either the line, circle, or any sort of equation, we need to put x is equal to 0 to find the equation, find the y-intercept. Let's suppose we have y is equal to, let's suppose we have x plus 2y is equal to 8. To find the y-intercept, we need to put x is equal to 0. So by putting this value in the above equation, you will get 0 plus 2y is equal to 8. So the y-intercept will be equal to y is equal to 8 divided by 2. So here y is equal to 4. We also can find the y-intercept of this equation, x square plus 2y is equal to 8, by arranging it for y. So 2y is equal to minus x plus 8. So y is equal to minus 1 over 2x plus 8 divided by 2, by dividing 2 on both sides. So 4 y is equal to minus 1 over 2 x plus 1 over plus 4. So the general form of this y-intercept is y is equal to mx plus b. So here b is y-intercept. So as we can see that by comparing these two equations, here m is equal to, slope is equal to minus 1 over 2 and b is equal to 4. So the y-intercept for this equation will be 4. As already we derived from this method by putting x is equal to 0. By putting x is equal to 0, we find that this y-intercept of this equation is y is equal to 4, and with the by comparing with the y-intercept equation is also equal to 4. So y-intercept is 4. Now vertical line and horizontal lines. A line said to be vertical if x is equal to constant. So this will be vertical line. A line said to be horizontal if y is equal to constant. So that line will be horizontal line. For example, let's suppose this is y-axis, this is x-axis, similarly this is x-axis, this is y-axis. This will be the example of vertical line when x is equal to constant. For example, let's suppose this is 0, this is 1, this is 2. So here the value of x is equal to 2, so vertical line. Similarly, let's suppose this is 0, this is 1, and this is also 2. So in this figure y is equal to 2, so the horizontal line. So for x is equal to constant, so for x is equal to constant, here x is equal to 2, so we say that vertical line. When y is equal to constant, for example y is equal to 2, there will be horizontal line. So in this video we did some more examples on equation of line and learn about y-intercept and vertical and horizontal lines. If you like the video, consider it for subscribing, and thanks for watching.